Some websites are using ComboBox mainly for their contact search, organization search, and so on. In this page, I'm using ComboBox to search contact. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to search for Owen Patterson. Or you can customize the output of this ComboBox. Let's say, for example, something like this. Here you can specify your template and then customize your output. But we're going to use Kendo. They call it Kendo ComboBox. So let's get started. Hello, welcome to embedded.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ComboBox using Kendo. So as you can see in this page, I have a dummy contact. So these are 1,000 contacts. So here, what I'm trying to do is to use ComboBox, and I'm going to use a search page where I can search for these contacts. So what we can do, we need to create another page called search. Since this template does not exist, so what we can do is to create an HTML for this one. In this folder, I'm going to create a template called search.cpp.html. Then let's edit this template and place your HTML and then save. So let's refresh the page. As you can see in this page, this is not a ComboBox yet. So we need to create a JavaScript. From that JavaScript, we need to use this Kendo ComboBox. So let's create a JavaScript file. So say search.js. Then let's edit this file. And place your JavaScript in this file. And then save. As you can see in this file, I'm using Kendo ComboBox, and these are the properties you may require. You can refer to Kendo ComboBox documentation, and it gives you all definition for every properties. So as you can see, under contact, I'm using search service. This search service will return all contacts in a JSON format. So by default, it gives you only 20. You can customize that on your server side. So let's refresh the page. This Kendo ComboBox will not work yet. We need to create the service called search. So let's edit this code and then create the service here, and then create the search method. And as you can see in this method, I am using the query to select ID, first name, last name, email, profile picture in user table. And I'm going to search either of the following field: first name, last name, email, or ID. So let's save and start searching for the contact. So here you can customize your search result. So all you need to do is modify your HTML, the search.cpp HTML, and then from there we have to create a customizable template for Kendo ComboBox search result. So here in this HTML, we need to create a template and save. And then on your JavaScript, Then in this Kendo combo box, you have to insert template. Let's review again this template. So go back from this search.cpphtml. So this would be your template. So from here, I'm going to use the profile picture. If the profile picture does not exist, then it will use the user PNG and then show the ID, and then we can show the name and then the email address. So let's refresh the page and to type. So if you click this one, then you can try to open it, or if you can create your quick search for contact. All you need to do is add additional icon here on the top and search for the contact. Okay, for example, click this one and then contact. Then you can start searching. If you want to get the complete code for JavaScript, all you need to do is go to www.embedded.com and search for Kendo ComboBox, and then from there you can get the code, or you can use the code as your reference. So thank you for watching and bye for now.